we debunk this as not being any type of reflection or lens flare.
Waiting for that Oscar to show up. But he's a boxer, so maybe he's going to surprise attack us, you know?
There is a reason why the working girls fear coming to this old section. As you walk through here, it's very heavy, and as you pass by all the rooms, at times it feels like something is trying to pull you in and hold you there.
Girls have been down in there by some sort of entity.
Where's that from? It's weird back here.
Martin, Deb, I think we're going to send you in.
Anthony Mascioli is back. He's saving hotels and transforming the owners with a second chance. Hotel Impossible, all new Monday at 10 on Travel Channel.
She imagines himself in his own shoes.
Бедная Амара. На его бутерброд.
Kid smooth talking sign language, man. Incredible.
Locals ask him for directions.
He is the most interesting man in the world. I don't always drink beer, but when I do, I can fight my sadness. Stay thirsty for things.
That's a man interviewing for a job. No, not that one. That one. The one who seems like he's already got the job because he studied all the right courses from the get-go.
Oh yeah, you got the job.
And that's an accountant, a mom, a University of Phoenix scholarship recipient who used our unique, scratch that, awesome career planning tool. And that's a student, working late with a day job, taking courses aligned with the industry he's aiming to be in. Ready to build an educational life that you want? Let's get to work.
This month, exercise your freedom of choice at your Buick dealer. Elect to join the thousands of Americans every month switching to Buick's innovative technology, design, and legacy. And with 2 years of scheduled maintenance on any 2014 Buick model, February is a great time to experience Buick. Now through February 28th, current non-GM owners use your President's Day bonus cash to lease this 2014 LaCrosse for around $299 per month.
Get ready to fall in love with IHOP's new sweet cream cheese cakes. Perfectly sweetened cream cheese, juicy blackberries, raspberries, and succulent peaches.
Peach for peach.
New sweet cream cheese cakes at IHOP. Order them now. It'll be one big bite. Tropicana, we squeeze 24 fresh-picked Florida oranges into every 89-ounce bottle. With absolutely no space for sugar, water, or preservatives. Tropicana, we put the good in the
So smooth, so free-flowing. Experience the effortless writing of Papermate with Joy.
Look, where everyone can access everything they save from anywhere they are. It's hard to say how safe it is. If you need more space, you'll probably need more money. And if you don't mind a crowd, it's a wonderful idea. But we've got a better. Introducing finally the cloud of Rift.
You want to save some time? The next time you rent a DVD, don't bother rewinding. The way I see it, it's the next guy's problem.
Oh, Larry.
She thinks I'm crazy. But would a crazy person save 15% on car insurance in just 15 minutes?
15 minutes for a quote is crazy. With eSurance, 7.5 minutes could save you on car insurance. Welcome to the modern world. eSurance, backed by Allstate. Click or call.
On Travel Channel Tuesday, Todd Carmichael puts his business on the line. In Thailand, Todd finds the ultimate source of coffee.
Oh my God, it's a gold mine.
But getting it home has him locked in a race against time.